Welcome to Clean Cooking Week 2025. My name is Joseph Kariuki, and for this 6th episode, we bring you to Kilifi County, where for an entire week, different electric cooking companies get a chance to showcase their products. In this episode, we also get to listen into panels, conversations, representations around electric cooking and clean cooking in general. This time, the spotlight isn't just on product innovations, it's also on the event itself as an innovation. Clean Cooking Week was designed to spark fresh conversations around clean cooking, especially electric cooking, and here is how it all unfolded.
We pledge to create an enabling environment through supportive legislation, robust consumer protection, and increased budgetary allocation to accelerate clean cooking adoption.
On behalf of the people of Kilifi, I extend heartfelt thank you to the Minister of Energy and Petroleum for choosing our county as the home for the 6th annual Clean Cooking Week.
And the country's adoption of clean cooking solutions is inspired to a large extent by the Sustainable Development Goals, especially the SDG number 3 on good health and well-being, the SDG number 5 on gender equality, the SDG number 7 on affordable and clean energy, and finally SDG number 13 on climate change.
Over the past decade, Kenya has made notable progress, raising access to clean cooking solutions from 10% in 2013 to 31% in 2023. However, 69% of households, mainly concentrated in rural areas, still rely on harmful fuels. But beyond the numbers, clean cooking is about dignity and safety in the everyday life of a Kenyan family.
And in the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Naomba tumpe makofi mazuri Mheshimiwa Mama wa Taifa.
Hamjambo, Kenya. I'm Stefan. I'm from the Embassy of Denmark. I'm the Energy Counselor, and I'm here at the Clean Cooking Week in Kilifi. It's been a very exciting event, with a great exposition of different technologies and great speakers. Also very high-level focus with the First Lady and representation from the German and British embassies who are supporting clean cooking.
We have introduced clean cooking. We have introduced solar power for clean cooking.
It's very interesting to be here from the Danish embassy to look at all the things that are going on. It's a very vibrant sector. There's a lot of energy I can feel, and especially when you look at what is the future of the clean cooking, there's the clean cooking strategy, and Ministry of Energy is doing a great job. The Climate Invoice Office has also have a focus on this. So I think there's a lot of things happening, and there's a lot of potential for Kenya to really go to the next level in clean cooking.
This is too high, so it's good to reduce it. Keep it to between 1,000 or as low as you want to take it, just for simmering.
I work with Kenya Pan Lighting. It's been an amazing week in the fact that we've created awareness in Kilifi County people. We're happy and we're honored by First Lady. She came to our stand. And one of the most amazing things is that she noticed that the pressure cooker, the electric pressure cooker, is a pot of interest. She said, this pot looks like it has grabbed the attention of the Kenyans. What is it? We also had our truck with us. There's been a lot of flow to the truck where people are learning about the electric pressure cooker, the induction cooker, and from our truck we lead them to our other partners where they buy the pressure cookers.
Yeah, my name is Daniel Wanjohi. I'm the chair of the Clean Cooking Association of Kenya. What has happened is that the current innovations that we do have are highly efficient. And what does that mean? That they consume less energy. You realize that the traditional way of cooking releases a lot of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, as well as black carbon that have significant impact to the health of the users. But clean e-cooking is quite clean, and therefore anyone can be able to actually use it. One of the key lessons that we have learned from the 6th Clean Cooking Week is that there is a need for collaboration. Driving the agenda ahead of us, which is quite ambitious. We are talking about universal access to clean cooking solution by the year 2030, is a huge task, but with the vision, commitment, and the passion, it is really possible. And therefore, my call to action for the government at the national level, as well as the county levels, as well as the private sector, development partners, as well as non-government organizations, is for us to really come together, work in a collaborative manner. That way we will be able to really achieve the goal that is ahead of us.
Thank you for joining us on this 6th episode of Electrify Cooking. In this episode, we showcase the amazing work, impact, and conversation that happened during Clean Cooking Week. This included insights from government officials, private sector players, and expo visitors, sharing their thoughts on electric cooking. If you're passionate about electric cooking innovations, make sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting content. See you next time as we continue to explore the future of electric cooking across Kenya and Africa.